First of all, we will make a right circular cylinder. For the same, as I know, the cylinder has three surfaces, one of which is curved and the top and bottom of it is a plane surface which is represented by a circle. So I have taken two circles of same radius, and for the curved surface that I am supposed to make, what I have done is I have drawn a rectangle which is having the length approximately more than 6 times the radius, and I will be cutting this to make the curved surface. So this is more than 6 times the radius, and this is the rectangular piece that I am cutting with the length more than 6 times the radius, and height you can take as per your convenience, whatever height you want the cylinder to have. So this is the rectangle. Height here means the breadth of the rectangle, because when I am actually folding this, when you see a rectangular piece of paper and you actually try to make a cylinder, then you notice that the breadth of the cylinder is actually the breadth of the rectangle is actually the height of the cylinder. So this being the breadth which is there, and it is equal to the height of the cylinder, so I will mark this as the height of the cylinder. So this is the height of the cylinder, and now I have to adjust it according to the radius. So we can see that I have actually folded this. The breadth forms the height of the cylinder, and the length which is folded, and now I can see this length is actually nothing but the circumference. That is the circumference of the cylinder. That means this is equal to 2 pi r. So the length of the rectangle is same as 2 pi r when it is folded and form a cylinder, and when we are folding, the breadth actually forms the height of the cylinder. So this represents the net of the cylinder, in which we have the two circular ends, the top and the bottom of the cylinder now, and this being the curved surface. So when we had arranged and made the cylinder, we observed that this particular length of the rectangle which is there, it was forming the circumference of this circular end, so as to adjust with it. So that means if this is a circumference, that means the measure that this length actually has is the circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r. So I have for this particular surface which becomes the curved surface, that is the rectangle which becomes the curved surface, and I am supposed to calculate its area by using the formula of rectangle. As I know, area of rectangle is length into breadth, and this is same as the curved surface area of cylinder over here. So area of rectangle is, as we know, it is depicted as length into breadth, which is same as the curved surface area of cylinder. So by putting the values over here, we have the length as 2 pi r, as we have seen it is the circumference 2 pi r, and the breadth being h. So the curved surface area of cylinder comes out to be 2 pi rh square units. Now once we have the curved surface area, we can actually talk about the total surface area. And the total surface area now becomes, the total surface area of cylinder is same as the curved surface area, and we know we are supposed to add the area of these two circles, that is 2 times the area of circle, and it comes out to be 2 pi rh plus 2 into the area of circle, which is pi r square. So we take 2 pi r common, and it comes out to be h plus r. So 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So here we have actually calculated the curved surface area of cylinder and the total surface of area of cylinder by using a net of cylinder. So when you are supposed to paste this, you are supposed to paste it like a proper net with this rectangular end in the center, and the two circles which are there at the bottom, and at one at the top corner and one at the bottom corner, representing that it is the it forms the top, it covers the rectangle at the top and it covers the rectangle at the bottom, making the two plain surfaces of the cylinder, that is we have one at the top and bottom, and this is how you are supposed to do the pasting. And then you are supposed to write your observations like this there while you paste the net for the cylinder. And besides that, you will also write your observations under the heading observation. As in this case, we have taken the breadth as the height. In the other case, we can roll it in the other way around so that the length becomes the height in that case, and can have the cylinder. In both the cases, the curved surface area remains the same.